having that in machines then, because we don't believe that there will be 50 billion people on this earth. LTE will accelerate the trend that we already have today, that mobile traffic is increasing a lot. And already today, data traffic is 6 times more than voice. There are even people arguing with me that that number is even higher than that. So using the digital dividend for telecommunication will provide opportunities to bridge the digital divide. This huge ecosystem can also be used to improve the environment, as telecommunication can be used to reduce traveling and therefore the CO2 emissions. As an example, we have made a study showing that 1 year usage of mobile phone equals to 1 hour of driving, and that's quite a lot. The global warming should not be underestimated. It's one of the greatest challenges of mankind, and ICT has the potential of reducing society's CO2 emission by 5 to 20%. Let's look at the different technologies then. HSPA is the main mobile broadband technology today and for many years to come. And LTE is a natural evolution building on the successful 3GPP track. And it also has seamless interoperability with technologies such as CDMA and TD-SCDMA. We see a strong momentum for LTE as there are more than 30 operators that have already made commitments to it, including Verizon Wireless, Vodafone, and China Mobile. And Ericsson has already been awarded a contract with some key operators, including Verizon Wireless and TeliaSonera. LTE is very spectrum flexible, and it can run on variable bandwidths, and it also supports FDD and TDD. And FDD is paired spectrum, and TDD is unpaired spectrum. So we believe LTE is suitable for just about any available spectrum, either if it's a new spectrum or an old spectrum. In our studies, we've seen that broadband really is a sticky service. The more you use broadband, the more you want to use it everywhere. And in a study we made, we found that 50% of the users, the internet users, want their internet access everywhere. That means that it cannot be only hotspot. There needs to be coverage everywhere. We see a trend, the fixed and mobile broadband becoming converged. And we see that people want to use it on different kinds of devices, such as the mobile and the TV at home. So all the consumer electronics and all the machines will be connected, enabling higher productivity and a better quality of life. And this is Ericsson's full-service broadband vision. With open standardized IMS-based TV, operators will be able to offer personalized TV, which is tailored for the individual users. And let me give you an example of this. Let's say that you're watching a game of sports at home and realizing that you're late for dinner with your friends. You continue watching the game on the mobile phone, running to the bus, and you still manage to see the final goal, the session is not broken, and you will be able to meet your friends in time for dinner. To manage this, we cannot treat fixed and mobile broadband separately. We need to have a holistic view. And in Ericsson, we call this the full-service broadband architecture, enabling broadband anywhere and a truly seamless world. And this is why we've done this already since 2006, and it's all based on open standards. We have the fixed access, which is fiber, GPON, and VDSL2, and the mobile access, HSPA and LTE, combined with a joint multi-edge function, which is the smart edge, which is IP-based, having the intelligence to handle the different accesses. We have the standardized services and IMS enabling control of the converged network, and the service layer enabling any service. IMS enables you to mix TV, multimedia, and communication services. We also have the joint transport for microwave with the Minilink products and the long haul, or the optical fiber transport with the OMS portfolio. This architecture will open you opportunities to handle services for today and tomorrow, all based on IP. And we also have the management system the OSS to manage it all. All this can be provided on IP on any service to any device. To conclude then, broadband everywhere and to anyone is central for closing the digital divide. We're moving towards a seamless user experience on any device, on any service, anywhere, and a converged broadband-enabled world. But in order to make this happen, actions are needed to stimulate deployments. There need to be harmonized spectrum for broadband everywhere and through anyone, and holistic regulations are needed to stimulate deployments. Harmonization is the base, together with open standards and ecosystems. Thank you.